This next one is much more exciting to integrate. We're going to use u substitution to integrate the following. Then we're reminded to clearly identify our u and our du. Now you won't be reminded on your online exam to clearly identify your u and your du, most likely, but it is still something that you need to have on your paper, on your work that you show for completion. So let's start out and we're going to define our u. Now remember, u is typically the value inside something. And I see the expression 3x minus 1 inside the fourth power. So that means my du is going to be the derivative of 3x minus 1, which is 3 times the differential dx. Okay, now notice we don't have 3 dx in our problem. We have 6 dx in our problem. So that means I need a 6 dx here. How can I get that? Simply multiply both sides by 2. That means 2 du is going to equal 6 dx. Okay, so we have our u substitution. I'm going to rewrite the integral. You don't need to do this, but I'm going to rewrite it as 1 over 3x minus 1 to the fourth times 6 dx. Notice I just moved the 6 out of the numerator and next to the dx. That's going to make my u substitution easier. When I do my u substitution, I'm going to get 1 over, instead of 3x minus 1, that's u. So I'll have u to the fourth. And instead of 6 dx, I'll have 2 du. So now what happens? Well, I want to integrate any numbers, and here I have a number. Oh, it's not going to let me highlight it, so I'll just underline it in red. Here's my number. Any numbers that are multiplied with your expression can come out of your integral. So I'm going to bring the 2 out, and 1 over u to the fourth is the same as u to the negative 4 du. So let's integrate that. The 2 is there. If I take the antiderivative of u to the negative 4, I'm going to get u to the negative 3 times 1 over negative 3. And then, of course, there are no bounds, so I need a plus c. So let's simplify this. We're going to get negative 2/3. Instead of u, this is actually 3x minus 1. We're going to resubstitute to the negative 3 plus c. And then our original expression was given as a fraction, not as a negative exponent. So I can rewrite my final answer as negative 2 over 3 times 3x plus 1 cubed plus c. And that's going to be my antiderivative using u substitution.